lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use flaxseed gel, or how to make flaxseed gel for your hair growth. Yes, this is my dry flaxseed that I have here, and those seeds are very good for the health, hair and the skin as well. But in this particular video, we're going to concentrate on how to use this flaxseed for hair growth. You know, flaxseed contain omega-3, omega-6 and many minerals and vitamins that are good for the hair. Yes, it helps retain moisture, supermassive moisture, to prevent your hair from drying out. And you know, drying hair is prone to breakage. So flaxseed will help you, or the gel will help you to accumulate more moisture or retain more moisture in your hair for it to grow more. Now, before we get into the video, if today is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe and also share to your friends. Make sure you press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever there is a new upload. So I'm going to measure. It depends on the quantity that you want, and also the length of your hair as well. So I am just measuring only 3 spoons of the flaxseed, and I'm going to add in more water. Yes, I don't want it to be so much sticky. Yes, I don't want it to be so much sticky, so I'll just need this amount of water only, and I'm going to bring it to a boil, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so this is my boiled flaxseed. I'm going to need a strainer here and a container that I'm going to use it to strain. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour all of this, let me use this, into it. So when you look at it, I'm trying to get this the gel that I got. You can use a cheesecloth also if you have some. If you don't have some, you can just make use of the strainer and it's going to work. So this is what I have here. I'm going to apply this to my hair, so please stay tuned. Alright, so at this stage I'm going to need my applicator bottle, and I'm going to transfer. You can use a panel also to do this, but this will be so easy to do. That is why I didn't use the funnel. So that's what I have here. Stay tuned to see how you're going to apply this to your hair. Alright guys, so as you can see, I had my hair in twist and I applied the flaxseed gel. So when you look at the texture, it's like yeah. So I did a twist out with the flaxseed gel and I had it in twist. So what I'm going to do is I'm going ahead with my guava leaves water. So I'll be spraying it just to soften it. Yeah, so I'll go with the second one to apply this to it. Alright, so this, I've taken my twisted hair out, and this is what I have to make it soft. I'm going to reapply the going to massage. So I have half of this. You can decide to put your hair in twist back. So I'm going to concentrate on the ends of my hair. Can you see what I'm seeing? Yes, that's what I have, right? Yes. So I'm going to do all round. Okay guys, so this is what I have. Yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow it to dry. Afterwards, I apply my hair oil. Yes, for it to look shiny and nice. Yes, as you can see, this is how it is. I did it twist out myself. Yes, so all right, so we've come to the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe